What is Earth? Why is Earth the habitable planet? Well, first of all, distance. Earth is the right distance from the Sun. This is one of the 5 properties that Earth allows to be a habitable planet. Protection. Earth is protected from harmful solar radiation by its magnetic field. This is one of the properties that helps Earth be a habitable planet. Next, there is insulation. Earth has an insulating atmosphere which keeps Earth warm, as you can see. We also have ingredients. Earth provides the adequate chemical ingredients for life. This includes water and carbon. Next, we have cycles. Earth has environmental cycles. The cycles help sustain life, leading into the formation of minerals and energy resources. What it means by cycles would be, for example, water cycles, carbon cycles, anything that's included in our planet that helps us stay alive. Last, we have my bibliography. Thank you guys for watching.